Happy Halloween. There's the house before the guests arrive. There's Reggie dressed like a dork. Doesn't he look cute? And the girl. Okay, there she is. Miss China. Nice shoes.
China White, baby.
China. Nice wig too, huh? There's Reggie. Ooh. Got his name tag on there. Show him what's in your pocket. No, your back pocket. We got our Boot magazine. He used to go out and smoke a fag.
An interview with me and a chick.
There's one scary guy right about there.
Look like I need to do a bit of sleep, maybe.
Yeah, just a little. Yeah.
Yum.
All right, where's the humpback? Hey, humpback woman. Woo! There she is, scary girl.
Oh, I thought it was a picture I was posing. I was like freezing for a photo and it's freaking camera and they're getting too small. What am I, old?
There we go.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Alright. Rubbish. You loony. Now you want to eat chocolate.
It's a haunted garden.
Woo! Okay. I can't see where I'm going, so we'll just... There's Miss Sunny.
Hello.
I'm not gonna be able to see anything.
You don't have the light on.
Is there a spotlight?
Light's not on.
Well, because I had it on, I was wanting to see how the night one worked.
Without the light?
And there's with the spotlight. Woo!
Ah, scary. What's the matter?
There's Batman.
Batman.
Woo!
Batman.
Flex, baby, flex. Is that patting your arms there too? Oh yeah.
Of course. Show him a bit.
Batman sneezes and he smokes too.
Yes, he does.
Oh, there you go.
There's Abby.
I did Adrian up, but he came in and he's like, I feel like a drag queen.
What, is there too much makeup on?
Well, yeah, I did like iridescent, like blue under here, and he's like, don't like the shimmer.
Back up there, okay.
Okay.
Don't like the shimmer.
So I feel gay.
Wait, where'd Sean go? Hey, trying to videotape here and you guys ran away.
Sorry, you're hiding.
So what are you, Sean?
I don't know.
Larry.
I'm Larry.
You're Larry.
I'm Larry tonight.
He's Larry. Want to be
Okay,
a
Reggie's,
I'm Larry.
who are you again? Milton? Merlin?
Melvin.
Melvin. Reggie's Melvin. It's a movie camera. You don't need a flash. Oh, okay, here. You want a flash?
No.
There you go. Now you're in on the bright light.
I'm pretending to drink drink.
Okay,
Yummy.
there's
Beer for
Danny.
Raven.
And there's Nancy and Raven drinking beer.
sure you get the
What a
7
party girl.
Ham it up. I'm gonna pick up one and be like.
I should.
And there's Joelle with her titties showing.
Only in the light.
This is the wrong key.
Okay, now we're gonna squeeze through.
Like the most innocent intentions.
And
Morning, next thing
there's
you know,
Natalie. And Dana.
I haven't slept for about a month. You can tell by my eyes.
We'll zoom. We'll zoom.
No, no.
That's
I'm at my
Alright, this next one's dedicated to all the people that
Booze in their hand. Cheers to all the booze heads.
I have the longest day today. Oh my god, you know how hard it is to work in flats and a miniskirt and you have all these drunk, old, gross
For the heels,
pig-headed
Danny.
men going,
You can't be a girl with that heel.
you know how many times these got squeezed? I was all, if I was a girl, you would never do that. 'Cause you get slapped. Just because they know I'm a guy. Bastards. They give me shit all day, so I finally said, alright, if I can beat somebody else.
Look, it's from Mikey. It's Angela. Awesome.
Angela.
Full Angela.
Randy's all the
Hey,
Angela.
Nathan.
Nancy.
It's your mouth.
No.
This is right.
Dead?
Definitely.
Where? Is my phone?
Don't you have a phone in your hand?
Yeah, but it says no service.
So are you gonna trade that?
Call 911! Call 911!